Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, your go-to spot for the hottest rides and the latest automotive trends. Today we're stepping into the world of classic American pickup style reimagined for the modern era with the 2026 Chevrolet 3100. This truck takes inspiration from one of Chevy's most iconic pickups of the 1950s, the beloved 3100, and brings it into the 21st century with modern power, advanced tech, and a design that honors its heritage. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Chevy 3100 is how perfectly it blends retro and modern styling. Up front, you've got a bold chrome grille that pays homage to the original, flanked by round LED headlights with a modern halo signature. The hood has a smooth, rounded contour just like the classic, but the lines are cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic. The fenders still have that iconic bulge, giving it a muscular yet approachable stance, and the short bed keeps the proportions true to the vintage style. Rolling on polished alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the 3100 looks just as ready for a show as it does for a weekend adventure. Under the hood, Chevrolet is offering a choice between a 5.3-liter V8 tuned for over 400 horsepower and a fully electric version with dual motors producing instant torque and a range of around 320 miles. The V8 offers that classic rumble that enthusiasts love, while the EV version delivers silent, rapid acceleration and zero emissions. Both versions feature a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and optional all-wheel drive, making them capable both on and off the road. The chassis has been modernized with independent front suspension, upgraded brakes, and adaptive dampers for a ride that's far more comfortable and composed than the original could ever dream of. Step inside and the mix of vintage and modern continues. The dashboard has a simple, horizontal design inspired by the original 3100, but it's been updated with a fully digital gauge cluster and a large central touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and even over-the-air updates to keep the system fresh. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, offering heating, ventilation, and power adjustment. There's also a premium Bose sound system for crystal-clear audio whether you're listening to classic rock or the latest hits. Chevrolet hasn't skimped on safety or driver assistance either. The 2026 3100 comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, and a surround view camera system to make parking and maneuvering easy. The EV version even has one-pedal driving for smooth control in traffic and regenerative braking to extend your range. On the road, the 3100 delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and comfortable. The steering feels precise, the suspension smooths out bumps without losing connection to the road, and the cabin stays quiet at highway speeds. The V8 has a satisfying growl when you get on the throttle, while the electric version gives you that addictive instant push off the line. Either way, the truck feels solid, confident, and surprisingly refined for something with such old-school roots. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is more than just a pickup truck, it's a bridge between past and present. It gives classic truck lovers the design they crave with the technology and performance that modern drivers demand. Whether you're drawn to the nostalgia of the 1950s original or the practicality of a new daily driver, the 3100 offers something truly special. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Chevrolet 3100, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment on whether you'd choose the V8 or the EV version, and subscribe to Car Trend for more in-depth reviews, exclusive first looks, and the latest from the world of cars and trucks. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and your wheels turning.